Hello everyone, welcome to Chemspires. In this video, we'll look into problem number 8.1 from 11th Standard Chemistry NCERT textbook volume 1. The question is, in the reactions given below, identify the species undergoing oxidation and reduction. First of all, to identify whether a species undergoes oxidation or reduction, we should know the oxidation number change. So, let us find out the oxidation number for all the unknown elements of all the species in this reaction. First question, H2S gas plus Cl2 gas gives 2HCl plus S. So first of all, let's find out the oxidation number of H2S. We know that oxidation number of H is 1, so 2 into 1 plus X, that is unknown, is equal to 0, so 2 plus X is equal to 0, X is equal to minus 2. And for Cl2, since it is a free element, so its oxidation state will be 0. Okay, now we'll find out the oxidation state of Cl in HCl. So H is plus 1, so plus 1 plus X is equal to 0 and X is equal to minus 1. And again, sulfur is in its free state, so it is also 0. So for sulfur, the oxidation state changes from minus 2 to 0, and for Cl, it changes from 0 to minus 1. So in case of sulfur, the oxidation state increases, right? But in Cl, if you see, oxidation state decreases because it goes from 0 to minus 1. Therefore, since sulfur's oxidation state increases, it is undergoing oxidation. And in the same way, for Cl, since oxidation state has decreased, we can conclude that it is undergoing reduction. Nice. Now we'll look into the question 2. Here also, the same way, we'll find out the oxidation state for each element, and then we'll know how this change occurs. Then we can conclude that whether the species undergoes oxidation or reduction. So the same way, for Fe3O+, 3x plus 4 into minus 2 is equal to 0. So by calculating, we get x is equal to 8 by 3. So for iron here, 8 by 3 is the charge, it's the oxidation state. And the same way, for aluminium, since it is in free state, it is 0. And for iron also, since it is in free state, it is 0. And for Al2O3, 2x plus minus 6 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 3. So oxidation state of aluminium and Al2O3 is 3. So for aluminium and iron, we'll write out what is the oxidation state change. So for iron, it is changing from plus 8 by 3 to 0. And for aluminium, is it changing from 0 to plus 3. So as we can see, iron's oxidation state has decreased and aluminium's oxidation state has increased. So iron is undergoing reduction and aluminium is undergoing oxidation in this reaction. Now let's look into the third question. This is 2 sodium plus H2 gives 2 NaH. So sodium, as we see, it is an uncombined state, so its oxidation state is 0. And the same way, since H2 is also in its free state, it is also 0. And in NaH, Na, that is alkali metals, have oxidation state plus 1 according to the rule of oxidation state. So here also hydrogen will be minus 1. So if we see here, sodium's oxidation state has increased from 0 to 1, and hydrogen's oxidation state has decreased from 0 to minus 1. Therefore, sodium undergoes oxidation and hydrogen undergoes reduction in this case. Thank you.